What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. This is called Depressing Rain Part 3. Depressing 2 did horrible, so let's make it better. So far, the branches fell from my tree, so we had to cut them down, just in case one of them falls on our head, because we had a bunch of storms, so that's why I couldn't upload that much. And that's what it is right now. I think I could zoom, and I'll just show you how much we had to cut down. To cut down those trees, and it's not raining hard. Probably rain back again, just in storms after storms. It smells horrible back here. I bet you could smell from the camera. So yeah. Got the wood. Tree's down. I can't get down. Yeah, gotta run. Getting out of this. Don't go. Some shelter. Ain't gonna do that. Zoom and yeah. Yep. So yeah. Depressing. I wanted to turn this into me just talking at part 5. It's not gonna be that. It's gonna be still a lot better. The chickens, this part. Oh, and this is the only time I'm bringing this up. I don't have my chickens anymore. I gave them to the neighbors, but I always see the neighbors, so it's fine. Maybe I'll do another video. Trust me. So yeah, this is it. Peace out. Wait, this might be it, and it's not. That's. Let me check over here. A lot of people just left. I know. Whatever. If you're still in here, it's a prime. Ugh. A rope? Yeah. Bye. Peace out, nerds. Oh, and I forgot. The parody's coming. Seriously. Bye. Go. I'm going. Bye. Okay. Leave. Are you leaving yet? No? Okay. If you're still on this, I'll give it to you. Congratulations. If you're still on right now. You didn't fall for it. So yeah. This is a secret. There's no ground. Whoa. And I'm gonna make a before. Wait, that looks a lot better in mulch. When it's dark outside, it literally looks like I'm jumping onto nothing. Ew, wet mulch. Bye. Seriously, bye. Go, I'm going, bye. If you're still on here, you're sick in the head.